Hey guys, I just changed my iPad screen, and at first it wasn't like turning on when I changed the screen. So what I did, so in case you have an iPhone or an iPad and when you press the power button it doesn't turn on, I'm gonna show you another way where you can like press it and it turn on. So right now I'm pressing the power button and it's not coming on. Okay, I'm gonna show you another way how you can do it. The power button right here and the home button. You just hold both of them at the same time. You hold both of them the same time. And I'm gonna count. 1, 2, 3. Hold it. Hold the both of them. See? Now it's turned on. So I'm gonna wait for it to load. So I just change the screen because the one that I have was broken. So I didn't want to pay $150, so I just do it myself. It's really easy though. Here we go. Come on. So if this video help you can just subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Okay, bye.